privilege and honor to fly the Queen of the Skies, the 747. And since I was still a kid, it was my dream to become a pilot and eventually to fly the Philippine skies and international skies flying the 747.
Felt sad and honored at the same time. Sad because this is the last flight of the 747. I've been flying this airplane for about less than 20 years. Honored because I was the one chosen to fly the last flight of this airplane. Yes, but you cannot get away with the modernization program. So they're going to replace it with a more modern 777 airplane. We will be flying the Trans-Pacific flight. Okay.